Good evening to all of you. This evening, let me tell you about a case where a person charged of sexual offense was lodged in jail for 20 years. He suffered ultimately by the end of January 2021. He came out with clean hands or acquitted. He was acquitted. You all know that the Indian criminal justice system rests on two important legal principles. Number one, the presumption of innocence. So, a person should be deemed, the accused should be deemed to be innocent till the guilt is proved against him. Till such time, he has to be treated as an innocent man. Then only he can be called as a convict. The second principle, speedy and fair trial. So for this purpose, the trial should be fast, the trial should be fair. But here, this trial has taken about 20 years. So this is the pathetic story of, now we can say, an innocent person who was allegedly involved in a rape case in Uttar Pradesh. Very recently, he came out from Aligarh Central Jail, and even Allahabad High Court also expressed dissatisfaction and also expressed sorry to the state of affairs, and they felt very bad on the keeping of this person for 20 years in jail. That's why we have been telling you very famous celebrated cases. That is Hussainara Khatun versus state of Bihar, M.H. Hoskut versus state of Maharashtra, where all these cases they have brought into light the plight of the people, the plight of the under trials who suffered more than the maximum punishment to be given to the offense. For example, if a person is arrested and kept in jail for a charge of theft, the punishment for theft is 3 years, but he will be languishing in jail for more than 3 years. Like that happened. That's why at that time the High Court Committee of the Supreme Court took a decision that whenever a person is arrested, if he has spent 50% of the time of the maximum punishment, then he has to be released on bail. Even on self-bail also, he has to be released and jails to be cleared. But what about this? Even the Corona also did not stop him. Right. Now, let's go into the details of the case. So, on 1st September 2000, a person by name Vishnu Tiwari, who was just 23 years old, young boy. So he was arrested by the police of Lalitpur in Uttar Pradesh on the allegations made by a woman that he sexually assaulted her or committed rape on her by gagging her mouth, closing the doors, all these things. Right. And also incidentally she belonged to SC/ST. So rape case and SC/ST, both cases, both instances, FIR was registered, he was arrested, and actually he spent about 3 years in the jail during the trial. Of course, the Lalitpur court, after the trial, convicted him under section 235 CRPC. He was convicted and sentenced to 10 years imprisonment, and subsequently in the SC/ST also it was added, almost it has gone to life imprisonment. Of course, aggrieved by the judgment, he filed an appeal before the Allahabad High Court. And Allahabad High Court has taken almost 14 years of time, and ultimately they delivered the judgment. The appeal was allowed. That means he is now acquitted. So the Honorable High Court of Allahabad has taken into consideration regarding the medical evidence, the circumstantial evidence, and said that there is no iota of medical evidence. Secondly, the medical officer also, the medical certificate did not support that there was intercourse between them. The sperm was not found. And the witnesses, a lot of contradictions are there in the version of the witnesses. Ultimately, they deemed that he is innocent and released him. But now, he has already suffered 20 years in jail, right? So very recently, by the end of January, he was released from Aligarh jail, and he doesn't know what to do. He fell in his life. He fell from his life. He says literally, when the people interviewed him, he said he lost his father, he lost his mother. Only I think one brother was there. Of course, he has gone to some other place to eke out his livelihood. There is no connection between the brothers. So he doesn't know what to do. Right? He is left with only 600 rupees which he has earned in the jail. That is the only thing is available, and he has no conscience, and he says that he could not engage a lawyer because he didn't have enough means, enough money. Incidentally, to conclude, what I want to say is he was given a rousing reception in his village Lalitpur, because people recognized that he was innocently roped in, he was innocently lugged in the false allegation of sexual offense. Now entire village came opposite to him and they supported him. They said they will be with him. So anyway, the conclusion very good, but what we have to learn from this, still people are languishing in jail for years together without bail. This is the main part of the story. Even though years back in Husainara Khatun case or MH Hosketa case or so many cases, Shafi Bhai case, so many cases are there. Even though Supreme Court gave guidelines, they are not being followed. That is the major flaw in the legal system. So the Prisons Act should be revived. They should be able to review the position of the prisoners in the jail, and then only these things will be set right. Anyway, it's a good example. A student, somebody by name Karmila, I think, he has posted this in your group. So after studying it, I want to make this video. Definitely this will be useful. This is a classic case where a man was made to suffer for 20 years for no fault of him. Right? So read this case carefully and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you.